Covishield or Covaxin, Levi's or Wrangler? This is Dr. Ajesh Mishra. You are watching Health Super Specialist. And let's start. This video is for those people who have taken Covishield. Covishield, produced by Oxford AstraZeneca. Basically, it's an chimpanzee adenovirus recombinant vaccine. By recombinant, we mean what they have done is, in this chimpanzee adenovirus, they have incorporated the S-glycoprotein, that is the spike protein of the coronavirus, and then a 0.5 ml dose of the vaccine is given to the patients. And with that dose of the vaccine is not going to infect the people. Why? Because it is replication deficient. It will not replicate in your body, but it will teach the immune response to mount an immune response sufficient enough to fight when actually put in that condition. Okay. So, how safe it is? As per the reports by AstraZeneca, by Oxford, the phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials were pretty safe, and the phase 3 clinical trials were conducted in some 25,000 patients and 23,745 to be more specific, and they found that some 50% patients will have mild local site pain, less than 20%, almost 15% patients will have mild fever, headache, myalgia, dizziness, arthalgia. Apart of that, no clinically significant risk is associated with Covishield. No risk of pneumonia, no risk of hospitalization, and few reports were hovering about the more procoagulant state of Covishield, but that has not been documented in literature. I went through a diffuse search of literature for that cases which were reported in UK of in around 250 patients, and they reported deaths in around 21 patients, but they had not been documented in any literature. So it would not be correct, scientifically correct, to say anything regarding that media reports. So the overall efficacy that they found for Covishield was around 70.42%. The global reports claim an efficacy of over 90%, and as per the AstraZeneca reports published around 3rd Feb 2021, there is a 100% protection against severe disease, against hospitalization, and there is a 70% efficacy after the first dose. And according to the reports published after the phase 3 clinical trials by the Lancet, they found that there was no hospitalization, no severe disease, and no pneumonia after 22 days of getting both the dosage of Covishield. So you are pretty safe to receive this Covishield vaccine. Overall, the Lancet reported a 76% efficacy after the first dose, and when taken apart after 12 weeks, that is 3 months after, it has got an efficacy of 82%, which is fair and well. So don't go by the data, don't go by this 70.42%, 76%, 82%, no. This vaccine is safe for you, that is more important. This vaccine is going to save your life, that is more important. And regarding the choice of Covaxin versus Covishield, I don't think it should be in our minds. We should be open. Rather, our first emphasis should be the safety of ours, our family members. So this is it. This is regarding Covishield. Thank you. Thank you very much.